Hello and welcome to another quick tip for Logic Pro. If this is the sort of thing you find useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tell your friends. Today we're looking at some more automation options available for you to enhance your compositions. When automating parameters, the general rule is if you can right click it in the interface, you should be able to assign it to a controller. Here's an instrument in Contact. As you can see, I can right click the volume and the patch options. If I choose to learn MIDI CC automation and press a button on the keyboard, I gain control of that feature. If it's a control with a range of values such as volume or pan, you'll want to assign it to a knob you can turn. Let's look at another instrument that isn't inside Contact, such as Polaris from Spitfire. Again, you can see if you can right click any parameter, you have the option to assign controllers to these too. Once you've chosen some parameters to control, you can now record these in as you play or overlay them using the latch option, but that's for another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.